Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English Speaking Program. Basic vs advanced words, basic words and advanced words. In this video, I'm going to share with all of you basic words vs advanced words. Number first, happy, aesthetic, sad, despondent, big, colossal, small, minuscule, good, superb, good, superb, bad, atrocious, nice, exquisite, hot, sweltering, cold, freezing, fast, expeditious, expeditious, slow, languid, hard, hard, arduous, arduous, easy, effortless, love, cherish, hate, ever, talk, talk, dialogue, walk, amble, run, gallop, run, gallop, eat, devour, sleep, repose, see, perceive, perceive, read, read, scrutinize, write, other, write, other mean that a person who has written a book, so that person we call other. So if you like the video, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that come all notification to you at time.